What if AI replaced teachers in every classroom? Imagine a world where every classroom is guided by artificial intelligence. Lessons would be meticulously tailored to each student's abilities and pace. Algorithms would analyze homework, quizzes, and participation in real time, adjusting the curriculum instantly to address gaps or accelerate learning when a student is ready. Virtual tutors would be available around the clock, answering questions, breaking down complex concepts, and providing encouragement at any hour. No child would be left behind due to scheduling conflicts or lack of access to after-school help. With AI handling routine tasks like grading and attendance, the learning environment could become more efficient and data-driven than ever before. Yet, in this vision, something essential is missing. Teachers do far more than present facts and assign homework. They notice when a child is struggling, not just academically, but emotionally. They spark curiosity, inspire confidence, and foster a sense of belonging that no algorithm can replicate. The subtle encouragement of a teacher, the recognition of a student's unique interests, and the ability to adapt lessons based on the mood of the classroom. These are human qualities that AI cannot imitate. Education shapes not just minds, but hearts and character. Removing the human element from schools risks creating a generation that excels at exams but lacks empathy, resilience, and creativity. The future of education is likely not a choice between humans or machines, but a partnership. AI can take on repetitive, data-driven tasks, freeing teachers to focus on mentorship, emotional support, and creative exploration. Together, they can deliver a richer, more personalized learning experience, combining the strengths of technology with the irreplaceable value of human connection. In the classroom of tomorrow, it is this collaboration, not replacement, that will truly empower students to thrive.